My name is Terrian Latouche, and I'm the executive chef here at Hillcrest South, and I've been here for 5 years. What makes Hillcrest South special? And I truly have to say it's the patients and the workers, the co-workers here. Everybody has a smile on their face, and they're willing to help, you know? Well, I look at the kitchen staff and our director and our dietitians as family, and we look out for each other. And we collab on everything. So we'll have, like today is Taste Testing Tuesday with our ex-director Stephanie Harris and along with Dave. So we're gonna get together, we're gonna, brainstorm on desserts for our new menu. And then we're gonna come together as one and make it happen. Because we're all here to help each other. Maybe we're doing it through food, So. Most our food is fit, fresh, and flavorful, and everything we make it from scratch, so there's nothing processed. So we try to let them feel like this is a home away from home. So we give them home-cooked meals, and then, I tell my cooks, when you're cooking for your family. These are your family. So they have that in their head, you're cooking for their family. That's your mom and that's your dad upstairs, that's your sister having a baby, That's your family. I love working here. And we're a family here. We look out for each other, no matter what.